Ka jingyang persya ngi trai snong ko umsang ling riboy district banom sya thenyut ha jaka bom pat biang ga jingtei da ka solid waste management project magajing keno bom simkhia kanong po town committee ka bagila sim i ka rai halo kanong rem bakila keno baklawan gajing sma iutung na ka tege jaka kala pelong i bo sarkar ha kan re julio aja opsan kentup na du emily kanong po ba medal bons im ringkat u deputy commissioner abilas baranwal bat ki edc ban hiar jurip ya ka tege jaka Hadin ma pendap gijing jurip u amile grong po lo kubur bakal don sya kata gijing sma utung kumbala kena bat keban kita ko ikya ikpa ba nong song snong ban dei na kani daw na kalyang ka office u deputy commissioner galum kerki gijing lang mir jing mot ma house don ro da committee kablatip kum ka monitoring committee ban kli do dc kum u chairman bagi dekat kin kan thobi adc bakatu kaningon na gidor basnong nakaliang skir disnong ka umsang ling uba Vincent sokhwai loi thu badin melapelong jing jurep i bosnong kila menjur ban ailat ke jing thanyot ha kate jaka tang ba i bor badi pe kiri ban khatswa baro ke jabo na kate jaka mat snapan bahaya ka bar kumjur nakaliang ki bosnong kila weng no ya kate jing khi ban ailat ya kam bakan ya ben ban pun kan mau hang ni kate jing khi kelas dang nadu khara tari ujulio ajab san belami nadu kirang ba ilong kimi kisamla ban pelong daga jia khi song klain mongor hapdang jong surok bat kinom kan ya kat bom pat yo iku jubab na ki bor sarkar
ba ngiyo i ngiyang hang neru ngitrai ngi suyang jubor justi baca ga kam rai ban yang slam ngitrai ban imla ka jing sma ka jing bun giskang ke nak liang ka torbar snong i umbang ngi layo i pilawan hang ne pilayo i dalagi jong ki khman TKE kata nak liang ka department kandon ban ong kada nak liang ka department kumba nak kupor ngila dep yekran ngila punpoi daga jing tho kan rai tat endang ngila poi sa kane ka sinjam ban yakhi ngitrai kila simkya ban wan mi tengi kwa benbu jingkeli ke department concern ke ba damakahi kelawan mempet ne ka ke don benong kelor kane ndang layu jing pensai naki ngin sa ai patsa ke jubab na kaliang ke jungi
pos long lu sebenarnya antai pot kuraru ini kita ke teknologi kalau sedikit ikan ya dan kita kiki orang abdia itu ke kata ke company kemana ya kam kan hap transfer seperti sebagai cement company nama tu UCP nak benda bakin thang buat cement company bayu tu inert bami na tu bade hadian berkelada sedikit dan bade sayu bisa one test dan pollution board kita tu kita kalau long fit bade selit mungkin dam bade apa kita bikin dia feeling begitu. Jadi benda ko bikin le minta kalau dengan le so kata bayo mining after that then bisa revive yang kene ke plan nomor baong
lano la batang
pun kan
kata surat bensai jadi kuy balano di bensai when you are in a position to see the one assurance
the process I think there is some process it will take I think by August September yes, in last year also we have a process meeting between you tender and all but now almost 1 year nothing has done nothing action has been taken so if we just verbally will say that the areas will take action but if we'll just wait then the same thing will happen. As a process and all, this RFP and all, it takes time. It's a procedure system. I think it will by September.
dan ni bentar long di kam office tu bentar ban you ni have ya balance of deng ban ya ayo ta kom den ni by August
by September it will start but then request for proposal so can be in how many days can it be floated request for proposal
21 days it takes time then after that
that's okay see the point is they need to see that it has started at least the official process whatever time it takes that's so they are ready to understand.
No, official process I think by September we set.
But it will be completed by September, right? So biommining can start by September. Okay, but then you will float this request for proposal asking companies to apply, correct?
Yes.
So when will you float this?
This month end of this month also.
Okay, then one more question from our village and the president of the Sanjuki Rangbashnang. We want to ask, is there any possibilities to shift from here to another place? Because see, this garbage dumping area is within the village. As per the law, it must be at least adjacent to the village. So if there is a possibility, then we want and we stand firm that it is better to shift from here because it's really affected our people. It's really impact the health of our people. So we urge the government, especially our local MLAs here, if there is a possibility, please shift from here or search any another.
This area we understand that it's very close by to the habitats. So the area also is very small. So temporarily we are keeping it here, but now at the present time it's already float the tender for those who are willing to offer the land. Then they already done the inspection, like the inspection do 2-3 sites like the inspection. But this
Hadin kajing ya kangdam kajungi ya kaban brek nyut kabalalong sansi kanti atu minta gasi but hadin kata mentasni ngilasyong ya ka meeting hangne hadisi office ha kajing ya donlang deputy commissioner amale ki officer na katnat urban kirang ba sunong ki bahab ko town committee kunju ro secretary jongka nongko town committee te ha kane ka meeting na kaliang ka dorbar sunong ngilabu ya kita ki kendon mo lengba ke jingtho hakmat ki officer ki badai pe kamsam hakmat deputy commissioner badai klidu jongka district hapo ke jingdon jong MLA jongi ya menta kasngi endang ladap ban yathir yatai sani ya kita ki mat jingdawa ki bana kaliang ga dorbar snong kalapan kre na kaliang ga jongki kila kubur ya kata batkin penhun ya ka kata ga jingdawa ka bana kaliang ga snong ga jongi nglabu bat ha kata ga jingdawa ga jongi ngila airu yaki ya kata ga kor omdei ba maki kinshu kongu ha kane ga meeting henrei rengkat ka jingtho ka jingtar kumju ru kat kum kapor na kaliang ga jongki kila kubur ya kata bat ngila le ya kata ka jingtho ya tar ka ba kan sakentup hapo ka minus ka meeting bat na kaliang ga jongi ru ngin pek ya kata ka minus ka ba lalong menta kasni atau kila atlut neam ya kine ki mat jingdawa gi jungi kat hadu ka bangitip hadu bendakut ika meeting na kaliang ga jungi ki pajba nong sunong kamtam ka senjuk ki prasnong ngilahun ya kati ka ba na kaliang ga department kala ya penbet ki mat jingdawa ki ba na kaliang kasnong ka jungi ibu ki don na do ba khatsau teli te ka mat ka baningkong ka ba na kaliang kasnong ka jungi labu haka vede berti surak namar ka jingjot rathai jungti surak te kine kali ki bawan the nyut ki haban yak lengba une surak idon kali he mo ki badang kampen sniu pala susu haka ne ka porlion te ka mat ka ba hakmat ka bat ka ba kongsan ka dei haka vede berti surak ba ka tnat PWD ka dei ban snano mardor kamde tang ban maramot namar ka ba ka condition ban maramot kamdon chu andrei bakin sedang biang da ka batmai le yak penhe black topping kumjuru ya ka proper drainage system kata kadai ka mat ka ba ningkong ka ba ngi nakaliang ka dorbar sunong ilabu bat ka mat ka ba kadai bakin peniang no ya ka gate hangte ya jakate nyut bat ban thungno arngut ki chokidar khnang ba kita ki chokidar kidla ban pek perman ya kar komwan the nyut kumjuru ya kito ki bamde hok banwan the nyut kila ban pensisa ban kang lane ban be kata kadai kamat kaba hakmat kumka dorbar sunong gabu sa kiwai kimat ki babun ni don kaba ngi sudai bangin nom penpau mentang ne ngin saya kran pat hakiwai ki por henrei ya kaba menta langin sya ne am ban berat ya kate ya kinyut ki bawan na po ka nong po tau na kaliang ka jungi ngilabu bangin perlaj no yaki ban berat tang bada ka condition ngilabu ba kidai ban penkuchwa ya kita kinyut ki ba kilabrat pathar barok sikata day anda kila de ban penkuj ban wen yeti kinyut hadin kata na kaliang ngador barsunong ngin sa sya yaki bakin berat lem da kumta la da kim patla ban penkuj yakate nginom sya bat hadu kan no kan simpor la da ka simpor menta kasni yaki ban penkuj kila la ban berat lasai la da ka simpor lasai gamut anda kila de tang ba hadu bakin da sya ban penkuj ya ketika nyut ka bala berat pathar barok sikata